Swami Vivekanand and Corona. Due to Corona, Gattu and Chinky's school was closed for the last 11 months. But after seeing the effect of Corona decreasing, the school decided to reopen. All the classrooms were sanitized and the teachers were also given special training. While Gattu and Chinky were upset by the news of school reopening, on the other side, their parents were also worried about the children.
Gattu, Chinky's dad, are you sending your children to the school tomorrow?
Yes, we have to send them because they couldn't study properly through online classes. Now they can at least study properly at school.
There's no point in that. Kids won't be able to take the schooling pressure after this long gap.
Gattu and Chinky were also scared. They did not wanted to go to school.
We will not go to school. There is Corona.
Kids, your friends will be there too.
No one will come. I had called them. Raju, Goody, Sameer. No one wants to come. We also don't want to go.
Saying this, Gattu and Chinky started crying and their parents got upset. It was the morning of 12th January. Their mother prepared Gattu and Chinky for school and sent them along with their father. As soon as their father came in front of the school, the watchman stopped him.
Sir, parents are not allowed inside the school because of Corona. Please go for now and wait here in the evening. We will send your kids safely to you.
When their father started returning after listening to the watchman, Gattu and Chinky started crying even loudly seeing him go.
Children, go inside and don't be afraid. Mishra sir is waiting for you inside the class.
Gattu and Chinky were sitting downcast inside the class. The classroom's environment was not the same as it used to be. All the kids were made to sit away from each other, which affected their mood. Mishra sir was teaching. Suddenly he stopped and started looking at the unhappy faces of the children with a heavy heart.
I know. You all are scared. It is not right to study in such condition. If we will talk, you all will feel better. Tell me, Gattu, what is the problem?
Sir, everyone was saying that now our school will not be the same as before. We will not understand anything, even if you teach us. After so many holidays, suddenly studying will bring pressure on us. Sir, Corona is not yet gone. None of our friends have come to school. We also were forcibly sent.
After listening to Gattu and Chinky, Mishra sir said,
Understood. All of you are scared. To bid your fear goodbye, today I will tell you the story of a great man who never feared in life, remained focused in his purpose, and became a great man in the whole world. Can anyone tell me who is that great man?
I know who that great man was. He was Swami Vivekanand.
Absolutely right, Gattu. The story of Swami Vivekananda and his thoughts can inspire not only us but the whole world today to come out of the swamp of Corona.
Sir, please tell us his story.
While Swami Vivekananda was passing through a forest, some monkeys started following him. Swamiji got scared and started running fast, and the monkeys also started chasing him. Wherever Swamiji was going, the monkeys followed him. In this way, running away from the monkeys, Swamiji came far away.
Then what happened? Did the monkeys give up chasing Swamiji?
No, the monkey did not give up chasing them. While running, Swamiji started thinking, I am running. That's why these monkeys are chasing me. I am scared. That's why they are scaring me. If I don't get afraid and tactfully tackle them, then they will go away. So children, Swamiji stopped running and he picked up a stick and stood up with courage. After seeing the stick, the monkeys stopped chasing him and ran away. Thus, Swamiji faced the crisis with courage and he became successful. So what did you learn from this story?
Chinky stood up and said,
That we should face the crisis just like Swamiji without being afraid. Corona is standing in front of us like a crisis. But we should not get afraid of it. We should tackle it just like Swamiji. The more we fear, the more Corona will scare us. Our aim is to study. If we focus on our studies without being scared and being cautious, then we will definitely achieve our goal.
Because Swamiji has said, arise, awake and stop. Not till the goal is reached. So children, will you get scared of Corona?
No!
So will you come to school every day and bring your friends too?
Yes!
In this way, listening to the story of Swami Vivekananda along with Gattu and Chinky, all the other kids got courage and also the power to fight against Corona.
अगर आपको हमारी वीडियोस पसंद आ रहे हैं तो इन्हें लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और सब्सक्राइब करें